Well, my friends, this is what the beginning of a nor'easter looks like. It's a very snowy day, and it's going to get worse because it just started. There's a real MVP. These kids on bikes out here delivering your Uber Eats. This is going to be a bad one, son. This is a perfect opportunity to help those who are less fortunate, because even though I'm only out here to buy some supplies, there are people out here laying down in this crap. This is a very, very deadly situation for so many people who don't have a home. He got a coat on. There's the real MVP right there. Go ahead, playa. It's going to be a very rough couple days in New York City.